Hello guys, this is the Crypto Cowboy. It's about 12:51 Central Time here on the 5th of June 2019. Let's look a little bit at the latest development in Bitcoin and see where we are. We are continuing to look at this triangle in development in this primary preferred wave count. We have a big third wave move into this 3 orange, and we are looking at the completion of the development, I should say, of this wave 4 in orange. We have this first leg up, which is in a 3 wave move. We have an A, B, C. That is the top of wave B. You have a drop in supposedly this wave C, which could be or could not be over, and this is what I want to focus a little bit. We are expecting another move after this C is down, a move up in D, followed by a move down in E to complete this 4, after which we move higher to complete the larger 5th wave. What's happening here in this supposedly wave C that's coming down, so far we have a 3 wave move, and this is a 6-hour chart. We have an A, B, C. The question is this C wave complete? It could be already complete. If I go to a 2-hour chart, we can subdivide and count this as a 5 wave move. So you have, I'm sorry about that, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This presumably completes wave C of either this wave C that would go here. But I think what's happening here, because then this triangle would start to look pretty funky, I think what's going to happen, and what I'm going to allow for now, it's a move up into this wave X and then back down to complete C. I kind of want these waves to have the same, this wave B up and this wave C, to kind of give me the same proportion, right? So if you look at, and I'm going to try to get not a wiggly line but a straight line here. If you look at this move that we've had here, this is wave A, then you have wave B, and then we have wave C to complete this B wave, right? For right now here, if you look, I think what's going on here is this is wave W. We have to make wave X, and then we have to make this wave in C, and then we're going to move up in the D wave. All right, so for that to happen, that would mean that this X wave is starting here, and usually these waves are pretty sharp. Now I want to see a little bit more aggressiveness as we move up here. It could be that this is wave 1, we are pulling in 2, and we're gonna get some sort of a move up here, and this X wave can be anything because it's a connected wave. It can be a 5 wave move, it can be a zigzag, it can be pretty much anything it wants to be as far as it gets kind of up there. Alright, and then this possibly is going to fake a lot of people out, and then we're going to drop back into the C wave. There is a possibility where this C wave here, it's already complete, and we can look at that into a different wave count. But just so I can explain this, and I'm going to go back to a from a 2-hour to a 6-hour chart, where this wave C, so this kind of stops being a triangle and this develops into a flat. and I've talked about this into my commentaries, but the way that would look would be, this is a wave A, then you have wave B up, and now we have wave C coming down, and this would be an expanded flat. If we stop here at about 90% of wave A, or close to it, like about here, that would be a running flat, and that would mean that the market is going to aggressively move up higher. So for this to happen, I would need this wave C to continue moving down as follows. This is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, and then we're coming back into a 5. Okay, so we got to pay attention to this move down here. If this is about to come, then this move, most likely it will be a flat, and then we go up higher and not a triangle. Okay, so I have my eyes on this fourth wave move here, and I'm going to go to a 3-hour chart. If I can switch, there you go. And this is a 3-hour chart, and I wanted to see how this wave 4 finishes. So if this is a 1, this is a 2, and now we do 3, 4, this would have to be a little bigger, because you can see the size of this wave 2, for example, wave 2 or B, it's a little longer, so you would have to take some kind of a triangle form here before we go back down into the final wave, and that would be a flat move, so it would be an A, B, and C. Okay, so I kind of have my eyes on here. If we're pushing up above this level here, okay, then this wave count here becomes invalid, because then wave 4 will enter into the territory of wave 1, and we wouldn't have that. So then most likely what's going to happen, that's going to become an X wave, and then we come back down. See, so what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to kind of show you how I look at the market and how I'm analyzing the wave moves into the structures inside to protect me from making the wrong moves and from waiting for the price action to tell me what's happening and where am I supposed to enter the market or exit the market. Okay, so this is on this wave count. To kind of resume, we either have a triangle still in progression, or we have a flat that's still in a progression. Okay, then I'm going to show you two other wave counts, which is this one, which says we have 1, 2, and then we're still developing this third wave orange. That would be 1, 2. We completed 3 by having a subdivision in 5 waves here, where you have 1 orange, 2, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we pull back in 4, and this wave 4 we're matching with this wave 2 up here, and now we have an ABC correction complete, and we're moving higher into the 5th wave. And to kind of gain confidence in this count, I would have to see the prices move above this level. Okay, then the other possibility that we have, it's this wave count, where we're still looking for this 3 orange, but this is way more bullish, where we have, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 complete. This is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback, and just like in the previous count, we're looking for a 3, 4, 5. So it's kind of similar to this one, but it's just the counting is a little different within this wave, but they're both looking kind of for the move to go up higher. Okay, so just wanted to dive into this. This is the primary one, and this is the preferred count until some of these higher levels get taken out. So pay attention to this development in here, because I kind of think this is what's going to happen, but like I said, let's watch the bottom of this wave A at 80.29, or if we start developing here into a larger 4, then more likely than not we're going to pull down and get this into a flat. Okay, or we could be that this wave, some of the subdivisions might be wrong, and then this wave C could end possibly somewhat lower, and then we go up into this wave D. Okay, so very important what's going on up here. We could still be in for a few days of chop and indecision, but I don't think the market is ready to take off just yet, but let's keep an eye on it. All right, this is just a quick update for you guys. Thanks. Bye.